we Tibetans,
Uyghurs,
Hong Kongers,
Taiwanese,
Southern Mongolians,
and Chinese democracy activists
all suffer from the Chinese Communist Party's colonial, expansionist, and totalitarian regime.
Crackdowns have intensified against the demanding freedom, democracy, and human rights across China and its occupied countries. Over 3 million innocent Uyghurs and Kazakhs are in China's concentration camp in East Turkestan.
Arrests and disappearance are common practice, while long prison sentence, torture, even death in prison happen time and time again.
By implementing the draconian national security law in Hong Kong, China is threatening the basic rights of millions of Hong Kongers.
High-tech surveillance, censorship system, and extreme repression are dangerous obstacles faced by the Tibetan in Tibet. But despite the repression, the people's resistance continues to grow against the Chinese Communist Party.
China's human rights violations and propaganda reach far beyond its borders, from plotting espionage to intellectual property theft to undermining international law, enforcing censorship, and more.
China has bullied its way into power, blackmailing governments, corporations, and international institutions, and silencing critics with its economic clout.
China's most recent failure to be honest about the coronavirus outbreak has led to a global pandemic, with thousands of lost lives and economic collapse in many parts of the world. The Chinese government's repressive authoritarian practice of secrecy and censorship are a danger to people everywhere.
After decades of our resistance to China's might, the world has finally woken up and is confronting the truth. Now is the time to stand united against China and say enough is enough.
It's time for free nations to act and hold China accountable. World leaders must protect and safeguard democracy and free society from Chinese imperialism.
Together, we can effectively challenge Chinese Communist Party totalitarian regime.
Stand for freedom. Stand with Tibetans, Uyghurs, Hong Kongers, Southern Mongolians, Taiwanese and Chinese, and all those resisting the Chinese Communist Party.
Together we have unity. Together we have strength. And together we will win freedom for our people. Now is the time to act.